Hello and welcome to an impulsive impromptu video. I was just hanging out in my room watching a lot of plant videos on YouTube, and I was just thinking about how, there's lots of cool plants kind of around me, and I've been meaning for a while to come out here and kind of investigate what they are. I have an app on my phone called Picture This, and I downloaded it maybe about 2 years ago. All I have to do is come out here and snap photos of plants, and then it'll just scan them and tell me what they are. So I'm gonna do that today. Set a goal of 5 plants. I'm gonna come out here and take pictures of 5 plants, and I'm gonna see if the app, holy mackerel, that is a very large bug. And it left. So I'm gonna come out here, and I've already put on bug spray, but it only does so much. So I'm gonna take some pictures of the plants, and I'm gonna see if the app can identify them. And I'm gonna start with these beauties over here. I've been seeing these growing around a lot, and they're quite lovely. They're little flowers, but I don't know what they are. So I'm gonna take pictures with my app and scan them and find out what they are. Join me, and let's explore some plants in my neighborhood. So I'm back inside. It started raining a little bit, which was really nice, but I just wanted to close this out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a comment below. Let me know which plant was your favorite. Would you like to see me do this again? I want to do this again. It was a lot of fun to walk around and just kind of like identify the plants and like really admire the natural wild plants that are just making an honest living out in the dirt. I have plenty of my own, as you can see. Some of them are even furry. So if you'd like to see me do this again, please comment below. Definitely like the video if you like this video. Please subscribe if you would like to see more stuff that I make and encourage me to make it. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.